Okay, welcome back, guys. We are here at D.S.C. I'm in the offices now, so I'm whispering. I don't want to be too loud, but this is the next project. This hallway's going to get painted. Ceiling, walls, trim. I started doing some mudding yesterday. It's the first coat. There's a big crack, as you can see. And over here on the window sills. It's going to need a lot of caulking, spackling. So a quick tip in between coats. You want to sand with your blade. In the last coat, that's when you want to use your it avoids getting pinholes in your mud. And on these windows, the caulking that I'm going to use is actually going to be exterior because the sun beams through here. So you want some heavy duty caulking so it doesn't crack. All right, stay tuned.